Ang unang daming sinasabi is since there is no enforcement mechanism para po magdala ng ating citizen sa ICC, bukas na bukas po yung korte natin na i-try siya dito. Dito po siya i-try. Of course, we urge our lawmakers and even the Supreme Court, pwede po sila in their rulemaking power to craft these laws on surrender as they did for extradition. No? So pwede po. And the reason why complicated yung petition is alangan naman pong hindi kami humingi ng TRO.
Wala
because
ng TRO po walang
Opo.
TRO. So
Yes, but we are
the
duty
way
bound,
is
Ma'am
clear
Ces,
for him to be arrested. And if he, as a lawmaker, he should at least face the music and not go missing. After
Ces,
voting, after casting his vote in the Senate, he disappears.
Ma'am Ces, I understand your passion, but it is still our legal
It's a
stand.
question po. It's a question, and
even
we expect more of our lawmakers. His
Yes.
action is really compared to other legislators who surrendered, even at the Senate, who faced the music and waited to be cleared by courts of law.
I invite you, ma'am,
Can't he do the same?
I invite you, ma'am, to imagine this scenario. No? For example po, just in case, i-declare po ng Supreme Court, and we are, as lawyers, we cannot do that, no? But we are just imagining na ma-declare nga na walang jurisdiction sa atin ang ICC. Pero, yes, but we don't know that yet, right? Yes. No, but we don't know that yet. That because there's a difficult question of law. Because if this were settled, hindi na po hihingi ng Supreme Court ang comment ng OSG, di-decide na nila, no? Pero because nakabinbin po yung kaso na yan, let's just say the decision goes in that favor, no? In our favor. Pero nakuha po nila si Bato at dinala na
he
po.
goes his merry way in hiding. Why not do his duties in the Senate? Pinahiya
Yes,
po
because-
kayo eh. Kayong naiwan ditong nag-explain sa amin.
Yes, if well,
Hindi
it's
ba?
okay.
How do you feel as a
mind.
lawyer for this person who is, I don't know where he is. You're
Well,
still defending him.
Well, that's the job of a lawyer, Ma'am Ces. Alangan naman po hindi ko siya i-defend.
Hindi,
But,
pero...
but kasi, di ba, parang, sige, tama na kayo kung gano'n. Hindi ko naman pwede sabihin.
Kung nag-aantay siya ng magandang desisyon ng korte, bakit kailangan sa in the dark?
Yeah,
You
ma'am,
know?
because ma'am, this is the key phrase, no? Because there is a difficult question of law. This is not just a random phrase, no? This is jurisprudential, no? Because there is a difficult question of law. We all know, ma'am, bilang mga tao, bilang human beings, there are some gray areas in the law, no? Kuminsan po merong mga naa-arrest na unlawfully. Halimbawa po, yung gobyerno, isang linggo po nilang sinabi na wala pong NBI agent na mag-a-arrest kay Bato, wala silang intention. Yet, may mga pumasok doon, binugbog po yung isang sergeant at arms, nag-a-announce ng intention nila to arrest Bato. Tapos sinabi po ni Director Matibag, wala pong NBI doon, biglang meron po. So, because of this actions taken together, that's nagka-shooting pa, then there is reasonable grounds to believe on the part of my client that there might be an unlawful arrest in motion. No, so
Shooting that actually may have been scripted by his own camp.
Hindi po. Kung scripted po yun, ibig sabihin po, kinausap nila yung NBI. Ibig sabihin po, in cahoots yung NBI para mag-drilling doon sa kabilang panig po ng Senate sa GSIS.
Anyway,